Dear students, in this tutorial, let us discuss how to multiply the numbers based on 9. For example, if you got 99 and if you want to multiply by 2, what you can do? You take this first number and 2. So 2 nines are 18. So you write like this with one gap and put this 9 here. Okay, that's all. Now you can check the multiplication by the regular method. 2 nines are 18, balance 1. 2 nines are 18 plus 1, 19. Got it? So this is the shortcut. And similarly, if you got 9, 9, 9. Now you want to multiply by 2. So what you can do? 9 twos are 18. So you can write like this, leaving two digits. If you have got two digits, you have to leave one digit in between that. If you have got three-digit number with 9, you can leave two digits between 1 and 8. Now you can replace this with the same 99, okay, with this number, and you can check it out. Similarly, 9, 9, and you may think that it can be multiplied only by 2 with this method. No, it can be by any number. For instance, let us take 7. So 7 threes are how much? 63, is it not? So you can write 6, 3, leaving two digits at the center and replace this gap with 9. Now you can check. Okay, so similarly 9, 9, 9, 9. You can take any number, even 8, and multiply 8 nines are 72. So you can put 7 and 2, leaving three digits in between these two numbers. Now you can replace this 9, 9, 9. So that is the speciality about the numbers based on 9 only. Okay.